terracotta clay and pale yellow maize. 5 pieces, cut 8 by 10 inches. Heavy textures and lighter textures will be included. I will show you how easy it is to hand sew. This is our Terracotta Maize Textures fabric bundle. Our hero piece is a terracotta colored straw look weave that is an upholstery fabric with a very intense design. Let me go up here and look at this. Really nice texture. Okay. As I said, it is a upholstery piece. Make sure you stay till the end of this reveal because I will be demonstrating, especially for our slow stitchers, how easy it is to get an embroidery needle through. Okay, so that's our first piece. Our second piece, now this is 100% linen. Feel that? It is opaque. You don't see my hand through it. It's not handkerchief linen. It is a heavier weight. And it's in that maize pale yellow color. There's the typical linen weave. Of course, the wheat being 100% linen, it is reversible. Okay, there's a texture to that. Okay, our next piece. This is a chenille in a boucle type pattern. You can see the nubbiness. Really nice texture. And this has both colors, kind of the terracotta clay color and the pale yellow maize color. You can see how well it pairs with this piece here. Okay, see those work well together. Our next piece, this is also a chenille. And it has an ottoman type design on it, or a really narrow type corduroy look. Okay, now this does have a light coating on the back, so we're going to do the needle test on this at the end of the reveal too. Put these two together so you can see how well they work. Okay. See how that looks? Really nice. Work really well together. Okay, and our last piece. I love this piece. Look at the texture. This is a chenille. Very soft, very lightweight. No coating on the back. Look at that texture. Isn't that gorgeous? So this will be easy. Really easy to sew. And let's see how close it is to this. Look how well that pairs. Let's put the terracotta in there. The straw. Look at that. Aren't those gorgeous together? Let's put this one in. And let's go ahead and add the last one. So look at all those. They all work very well next to each other. Okay, and as promised, we're going to go ahead and do our needle test. I'm going to start with this one. Like I said, this one has a thin coating. I'm using a size 8 embroidery needle with three strands of embroidery floss. Okay, it's relatively easy to go through. Okay, you saw how easy that was. And let's do this one too. It doesn't have a coating, but it is a heavier weight. But so we're just going to make sure. Oh yeah, see, that's easy also. Okay. And for our straw look upholstery, let's do this one. And as you can see, that wasn't too bad either. So they're all, so this whole set of 5, if you're a slow stitcher, you will not have any problems working with it. Link for this bundle in the description below. Sneak peek of next week's bundle, Tuesday at noon. See you then.